Hello and welcome students to my new educational platform, that is Sky Teaching Zone. I am your science teacher of Mahatma Gandhi English Medium School and you are the newly admitted students. So this is our first meeting. As you know that books haven't received yet, so we have started teaching you on this online platform. And soon our Zoom app will be starting, so be ready for that. So today I am going to tell you about crop production and management. As you all know that sun is the only source of energy on the earth, and plants can prepare their food through this energy, and this food is consumed by the man and animals to get energy. In the earlier times, man was nomadic. He wandered here and there in search of food, but gradually he started settling down. He started cultivating crops to get large amount of food. So we can say a crop is cultivating or sowing the same type of plants over a large field, over a large area, is called a crop. It can be a wheat crop, it can be a pulse crop or any other. So what a crop is, when the same type of plants are grown over a large field, is called a crop. Broadly we can classify crops into two types. And what are these two types? Kharif and Rabi. Earlier also you must have listened about these two types of crops. So let's first talk about Kharif crops. These Kharif crops are grown in the rainy season in the months of June to September. These are cultivated during June and September. In these crops there are soybean, groundnut, bajra or pearl millet, and maize, paddy. These are all called Kharif crops because these are cultivated during the months of June to September. Questions in the exams also come regarding these Kharif crops. So you should remember which are the months these crops are cultivated. Now next are the Rabi crops. These are the winter season crops grown during winter season. Kharif are the rainy season crops and Rabi are winter season crops. The cultivation time is from October to March. And the examples are gram, wheat, sarson. These are all examples of Rabi crops which are sown and cultivated during winter season. So this is the broad classification of crops, Rabi and crops, because India is a very vast country and many types of crops are grown in India. Because of different climatic conditions, there is a wide variety of crops. But instead, we can classify them into these two main categories. And after that also many vegetable crops are also grown during the months of April to June over some areas of our country. So this is the types of crops. Now for its management or for the cropping pattern, there are different procedures. We have to go through. After that we got the crop. So we will discuss about that pattern afterwards. That's all for today. Thank you.